Today we need to focus on a whole house clean and declutter. We need to lay off the computer, put down the smartphone, stop watching TV, get up and get busy. Cleaning, organizing, decluttering in every single room of this house. And we will get exercise in the process. First room to tackle is the bedroom. We share a very small bedroom. This is nothing luxurious, okay? This is frugal living, down to earth. We are trying to minimalize. We're not going to be around forever. We don't want to leave a mess for our kids to pick up after we're gone. I was not the last one out of this bed, but did it get made? Certainly not. Does this thing happen to you too? I bet it does. You get out of bed first, and then your partner is last, but he or she doesn't make the bed. Well, these sheets need cleaned anyway. I'm going to take them down the basement. Okay, we got this in the dryer. Now it's time to sort through all these receipts from a month ago, and I need to recycle the receipts and decide what to keep as a record for budgeting and tracking our spending. And then make sure I have everything up to date in this office file according to the bills that need paid and matters that need tended to within the next few days. Now this shelf needs cleaned and organized. We have a lot of candles and knickknacks we need to tend to. I'm just going to clean this first shelf because it gets the dirtiest. The other two shelves up above do not collect as much dust, and I'll clean them in probably April when I do major spring cleaning. This bedroom looks pretty good. I need to take the laundry basket back down to the basement. I'm going to clean this bathroom. And I don't clean toilets in front of people, but I'll clean everything else. This is realistic, all right? Life is not always perfect looking, so I need to clean this tub. It is very filthy. It's very important to work with the brush. If I put more soap on it, that defeats the purpose, I guess. We already have soap from the soap scum. I think that's pretty clean there. Right. We have some stains. Shower's been here for over 30 years. I'm just rinsing the tub after I cleaned it. I'm just going to use vinegar and water. A lot cleaner than it was. That's all I'm going to say. This sink cleans up nicely, but the crack in the basin is a problem, and this whole sink will need replaced in the near future. In order to sweep him off the floor, we need to remove the large rug. Let's get this rug out of here. Basements can really get out of control if you don't stay on top of it, and this one has gotten out of control. There's cobwebs and spiders everywhere in this basement. Eventually, we may have to have this basement professionally cleaned and some repairs made down here, some upgrades for sure. In the meantime, I'm just going to keep it as clean as possible. We do use the shower down here. Now we are back in the storage room where I keep pumpkins, squashes, and sweet potatoes. It's a cool room. We have an extra refrigerator back here. This is the second bedroom. This is the largest bedroom, like the master bedroom. We chose to use the smaller bedroom. It is warmer and cozier. We have a carpet in there. And this bedroom is used for a catch-all during the winter. There was a lot of stuff that I put back here, holiday decorations and such. So we need to do a declutter. All right, as you can see, I have my sweet potatoes and squashes, this butternut squash, and I check them periodically to make sure they're not going bad. And the pumpkins, this pumpkin's doing fine, not like the other one I had to process earlier than I thought I would need to. But you know what? This is a survivor, and the other one was too. It lasted 5 months. But I have seeds back here, and this is where I store kitchen scraps, like eggshells and coffee grounds, to use as garden compost. I was just going to do a declutter though, but I really should just clear everything off and clean this table. Does this look better? Proportioned properly. As you can see, there's a mess over here of knickknacks, holiday knickknacks. A fun project I never had time to do. Blame it on Vlogmas. I should have done it for Vlogmas. I don't paint very often. It's been years since I painted a craft like this, but I wanted to do it for Christmas. I never got around to it. And here's something from the 4th of July. Can you believe that? Then there's like birthday cards for family members and just little knickknacks. I'm going to take these to the table because I need to take the Valentine decorations down in the kitchen and dining room. The doggy supplies, there's not much we can do about it. She has supplies. I don't know what I would do. I don't know if I'd keep them in a closet. Or we tried that. We needed that pantry closet for human food storage. So I decided to keep her food back here, and I think it was the right choice. This right here looks great. I don't want to look over there. That's his area. This is my area. We'll make do with it. Now we need to declutter this dining room table. We have Valentine's decorations to take down to the basement. Now this really made my day. My husband carried the basket. You can't see him carrying it, but he's got the basket with a bunch of Valentine decorations, and he brought it down to me in the basement. So that really helped me. Oh my goodness, that was a blessing. Now we are going to tidy up the kitchen and put away some dishes that I just never got around to putting away, and straightening up, and I'm going to clean the counters and the stove off. Just give it a quick clean. It's fairly clean to begin with. It's not too bad, but I want to straighten up a few things here. Do some sanitizing. I did sweep the floor. I ran the sweeper, and now I'm mopping the kitchen floor, and I love to keep this sanitized. I cannot stand dirt on my kitchen floor. This is a fairly new floor. We've only had it for about 5 years. We had it installed. We like to keep it in good shape. So the kitchen looks good, but I need to cover up this table with a new tablecloth and a picture that is an inheritance from Dan's aunt. She painted it herself. She was a school teacher. I'm just going to fill up this fruit bowl and make this look very nice here. Oh, it looks like a hallway, but it is beautiful. Now it's time to straighten up the living room. The living room is wonderful because I just cleaned it after the painting project. I'm just straightening it up and doing a little organizing here. Picking up our shoes that we always stick under the coffee table. I'm getting ready to run the sweeper. And sometimes we have leaves from the poinsettias, and I sweep those with the broom and put them in the compost pile. Now we are in the bathroom. I did some work behind the scenes. I swept, I ran a sweeper in the bathroom, and now I'm mopping the floor. We do have painting and plumbing projects that are overdue for the bathroom. The plumbing needs done first so we can take showers on the first floor again. Then we'll be doing some painting projects in the bathroom also. It's been a while since I've cleaned the mirror and the sink here in this bathroom, so I need to get this done so we can move on to other projects in the home and outside in the garden. We finalized the cleaning and decluttering by doing a quick reset in the living room. That didn't cost anything. We just use items we already have and get creative with it. I hope this video inspired you to clean and declutter and assess what improvements you can make in the home on a budget. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next one.